Another question we get asked all the time, how expensive is it to replace my sewer? And that is a really loaded question. Every case is so totally different. Essentially, what goes into the price of a sewer line is going to be what it takes to access the line and what it takes to put everything back. If your line is fairly short and fairly shallow and under green grass, that line is going to be significantly cheaper to repair or replace than a line that is really long, really deep in the ground, and under really expensive infrastructure like patios, landscaping, trees, pools, driveways, roads. Any one of those things could be on the surface and your sewer line runs underneath it, and now the price of your sewer just went up dramatically because now we're having to do things like remove driveway and remove roadway to get to your sewer line. In my 20 plus years of being a plumber, the cheapest sewer line I've replaced in its entirety, replaced the entire sewer for about $2,500. The most expensive so far has been $44,000. It just kind of depends. The $2,500 sewer replacement was only about 30 feet long, it was only 2 feet deep, and it was under green grass the whole way. The $44,000 sewer line was about 120 feet long, and it ran through their yard for part of it, but then it went underneath a very, very busy roadway. We had to cut across that roadway, so that means we had to block traffic, we had to shut the road down, we had to remove all the road and remove all the material underneath the road. And then the cities always have a very particular way they want you to put the road back. And so that gets really expensive as well with all of the asphalt patching and everything else. So ultimately it depends. Nowadays, we also have technology that can greatly reduce those prices. Invite a plumber out to your home. They'll run a scope down your line. They'll locate where the damages are, and they'll also locate where the obstacles are above ground in relation to that damage. And they'll be able to give you a price for what you're looking at in your home.